Hi, so my name is Sureka. So my role is a senior administrator of the program operations department, where I'm going to be the key person for HR and also all things legal as well as to do with the programs that we conduct. And the reason I'm here today at the HR for Beginners course is because I've only had very, very little experience in HR before, and this has been quite an experience or a crash course in everything related to HR. Yeah, so it's been really great so far. I've learned a lot of things that I had no idea before, which is good. And I think due to my experience of just dabbling a little bit in HR before, right now I can say that I am on the way towards attaining like formal HR education in the 2 days I'm going to be here.